It's good. आपको यूज करना आना चाहिए बस. Like big disadvantage in a straightener. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Pinky Effect, and my name is Pinky, and this is my first YouTube video. Actually, I was thinking about posting a YouTube video for years. It was also on my resolution list for like last 2 years, but I didn't make it. So finally I decided it's better late than never. So yeah, I created a like whole new channel for this, and none of my known people know about it yet. So yeah, let's get started.
One eternity later.
In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Philips styling set. It is basically a 3-in-1 styling tool. Wait, I'll show you. See, this is how it looks like. What comes inside is the styling handle. The straightener attachment. Oh, sorry, this is the crimper attachment and the straightener attachment and the curler attachment. Yeah. Also, I really like the color. The lavender color gives very soft and premium look. And talking about the handle, this wire is like 360 degree. You can rotate it like this, which is very helpful while styling. So yeah, I'll be reviewing these like one by one. Let's start with straightener. You need to just press it like this to attach it, and to remove it you just need to press both of these buttons together and remove. Yeah, comes with button. You can turn it off and on like this. So let's do something from here. One thing I like about it is काफ़ी जल्दी heat up हो जाता है, like in 30 seconds, which is a very good thing if you are in hurry. Okay, I think you should try this from here. Also, one thing I don't like about it is that you need to press it like manually, which is a disadvantage, like big disadvantage in a straightener. See how it looks like. It did a pretty good job, I think, but I really don't like the thing that I need to press it while straightening. Yeah, that's it for the straightener. Let's talk about the curler. Also, the straightener is 80 mm and it heats up to 210 Celsius. Oh my god. Okay, let's talk about the curler. It has 25 mm barrel. It is heating up. I think it's ready. Actually, I don't know how to curl. I have naturally curly hairs, so I don't use it much. Bro, how to do it, bro? समथिंग हीट अप हुआ है. I took a lot of hairs, I think. Let's see. Also मैंने अभी इतना यूज़ किया नहीं है इसे, so I'm just sharing with you all my personal experience. ऐसा कोई प्रोफेशनल रिव्यू नहीं दे रही हूँ मैं. I think it is working. Bro, my hair. Oh, nice. ऊपर से मैंने कुछ ख़राब कर दिया I guess, but it came out good. See? Can you see that? Okay. It's good. आपको यूज़ करना आना चाहिए बस, जो कि मुझे नहीं आ रहा है, तो अपन उसको अवॉइड करना चाहेंगे. It's hot. Let's keep it here. The color is good. Being honest, I don't know how to use it. Okay, let's come to crimper. Huh? No, sorry. This is crimper again. Okay, the crimper attachment. I never used it. Let's do it on this only. Take a little hair. Just heating up. Okay, let's start. Wait. I don't like the crimping wala thing. See? Here it is. So this way. This is how it looks like. Okay. This is how it works. So honestly, I'm not someone who will use this, but if you like, experimenting with your hairs, you can. So yeah, it did a really good job. I think I'm gonna straighten it back. So even after straightening, the crimps are visible all over. This product is good. You can use it for like daily purpose. It will not give you like salon like finish, but it is good for daily use. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.